Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Thursday 10th of January with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Looking at dollar yen, which I spoke yesterday about this downtrend that has been in place for the last sort of 4 weeks now. And it's interesting that that kicked in and really did provide a basis of resistance during yesterday's trading. That doji candle on Tuesday started to turn into a negative candle once again on Wednesday, and that's sort of falling away. Sort of continue to an extent today, and it's interesting that risk negative market sentiment has kicked back in, and that's not helped the dollar either. And dollar has regained some ground against sterling and against the euro, but not against the yen, because the yen obviously is a safe haven trade, and subsequently the dollar yen continues to fall. So it doesn't really bode especially well for dollar yen. Looking at these momentum indicators, you can see why. So RSI rolling over above 30, going back below 30, MACD line still falling. Stochastics also sort of falling over as well. So this downtrend is key. I've sort of been noting the fact that there's likely to be a lower high underneath 109.75, and that comes in yesterday's or Tuesday's high at 109.10 before the rolling over. So I think little rallies are a chance to sell. That downtrend comes in at 108.75 today. Market has sort of rebounded a touch from 107.75, and you got initial resistance, I suppose you could argue, if I put a crosshair on 108.45, that reaction low, but which is actually a pivot, interestingly. 108.45, but 108.75 is where that downtrend comes in. So this little unwinding move is likely to produce the next selling opportunity, and it's sort of likely to put pressure further on the lows, 107.50 back towards 107.40 area initially. Price as a zoom out. Here you can see these reaction lows in the mini recovery start to come in as a basis of support. 109 there, so 107.10, 107.40 there. So yeah, I think it's likely to be the case that rallies are seen as a chance to sell, and dollar yen continues to fall away. So wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.